Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Urvashi, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the differences between human-centered design process and user-centered design process. So without any further delay, let's get started. Although they both sound similar, but there are few differences between these two. And while designing any product, we consider both the terms. So first of all, we will understand what is user-centered design process. So what is user-centered design process? User-centered design process, or UCD, is a process, or it is a iterative design process in which designers focuses on the users and their needs in each phase of the design process. In order to keep the design as relevant as possible, each design phase incorporates user feedback. On the other hand, Human-Centered Design Process, or HCD, is a design process that involves human perspectives at each stage of the design process. It considers psychological and emotional preferences of the users. On the other hand, UCD, or User-Centered Design Process, takes a less emotional approach. It focuses on the factors that influence the way the users interact with the designs. There is also one similarity between human-centered design and user-centered design, that is, both philosophies involve processes that put users at the center of the product design and development. So that's all for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. So I will see you all next time. Bye bye.